Now, here's meteorologist Michelle Muscatello with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, it's quiet out there right now, Michelle, but we had a pop-up thunderstorm or two this morning, huh?
Yeah, you know, they just kind of fired up this morning, 8:30, 9 o'clock,
Yeah.
and even one of our viewers sending in this photo of some hail in Pawtucket that fell, and that's just pea-sized hail, but reports of hail as large as 3/4 of an inch fell in Pawtucket. Got reports in Smithfield.
Wow.
We've seen some hail. And we are going to be watching this afternoon for more thunderstorms to develop. It's quiet over the radar right now over Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts, but the atmosphere is certainly primed for more thunderstorms to develop. And in fact, already seeing those as we head into the afternoon hours here across parts of New York State. And the little red box that you see is a severe thunderstorm warning that's in effect. And we see them down into eastern Pennsylvania as well. They're developing in a very warm and humid air mass out ahead of a cold front, and that front's acting as the catalyst for these storms to develop. So city cam right now, we're going to get back into partly sunny skies most areas, and the temperature should climb as that happens. So with the clouds around and the showers this morning, the thunderstorms as well, temperatures are still in the middle 70s, but we still have the potential to get up into the lower or even mid 80s before the afternoon is up. About 77 in Smithfield right now. Again, Providence is at 76. Much cooler at the coast. You've had a lot of low clouds around today. Newport's at 68, Westerly's at 72. You also have the wind coming in off of the water. So here's the satellite and radar. Those were the storms that just fired up over our area in response to that warmer and more humid air moving in. And now, as that cold front approaches parts of New York and Pennsylvania, more storms again popping up along the front. The front should be knocking on our western border of Rhode Island and central Mass by about dinner time, the evening commute. So that's when we'll be looking most likely at that threat of thunderstorms. I'm thinking later afternoon, after say 3, 4 o'clock for most of us. And I do have temperatures reaching up into the 80s away from the shore, while the coastline, it's going to be tougher to shake the clouds. Partly to mostly cloudy, and temps staying pretty much where they are in the lower 70s. So a thunderstorm is possible for the commute home this evening, 75 to 82 for your temperatures. Futurecast at 2 o'clock in the afternoon does show some showers and thunderstorms already developing off to our west and then trying to push through our area. This is 5 o'clock in the evening. You still see some of these little blips of green here indicating that we could see those storms fire up. And once again, the threat, like what we saw this morning, hail, strong winds, heavy rain, and frequent lightning. It all clears out overnight tonight. It's going to set us up for a cooler stretch of days that begins tomorrow, with sunshine giving way to some afternoon clouds, but a dry day on Thursday. So it does look like the best chance of seeing a thunderstorm this afternoon and this evening will be away from the coastline in that area of red. Down to the coast for this afternoon. 76 in Westerly, about 81 Hope Valley, 83 in Coventry. Northern suburbs, another warm day, very humid out there. Temperatures, again, with some sun returning, getting back up to about 80 to 85, and we'll be around 83 Fall River, 74 in Little Compton. On the bay, partly sunny. Keep an eye out for that thunderstorm. Winds are breezy out of the southwest at 15 to 20 miles an hour. Clouds linger at the beach. Still can't rule out a thunderstorm there. Air temperature around 72 degrees. So once we get through today, we get back to more typical early June temperatures, and that's low to mid 70s during the day. Nights in the 50s. We even have a night Thursday night, Friday morning where we could be in the 40s in quite a few spots.
It's nice to see that refreshing air come back.
Definitely.
All right. Thanks, Michelle.